Hey YouTube! So I'm not showing my face today, but I just wanted to show you what I collected, my nature treasures from the Sea Glass Beach here in Japan. There is a lot of beaches here in Japan. I mean, we're an island, but a lot of them are just, flat sand or rocky or have this stuff called star sand, which if you look at the individual grains, they're all shaped like itty bitty stars. But this is my favorite beach to go to get treasures, and it's called the Sea Glass Beach for obvious reasons. And if you don't know what it is, this is sea glass. It's basically regular glass that's been, chipped from bottles, broken china, broken pots, broken bowls, and tumbled by the ocean and by the sand until it goes from pretty much this, which is a shard of glass. My camera can focus there. A shard of glass to something like this, which is tumbled and opaque. So this is what I got. These are coral, dead, dried up coral. And I wanted to get more of those, but I had my son with me, and he was jumping into all the tide pools and catching crab and a little shrimp that got caught in the tide pool with him. So I didn't get as much as I wanted, but I found these two shells. I have no idea what they are. I might look them up, but they look like this. And then inside, it looks like mother of pearl. It's really pretty. I love these two shells. And then I got other ones that look kind of the same on the inside, but in varying sizes. These two big shells, which I'm pretty sure actually go together. And then green sea glass, these tumbled rocks that have striations and marbling in them. And then these little shells, they're very thin, they're very delicate, and there's tons of them all over the place. This is actually one of the rarer colors that you'll find. It's like the cobalt blue. It's not as tumbled as I would like it to be, but I couldn't pass it up because we only found two blue pieces the whole day. So there's also a bunch of white, clear, opaque, and another rare find that you won't really find is this, which is purple. Once again, not as tumbled as I would like it to be, but beggars can't be choosers when it comes to purple. This shell that looks like a regular old shell until you realize it's flat. Looks like somebody just squished it. And then what you can find all over the beaches here with debris and all that kind of stuff is tiles. A bunch of the Japanese kind of finish housing projects or construction projects, and whatever they have left over, they just kind of dump into the ocean. So you'll find a lot of these tiles, from whole tiles like these to chipped ones and little bitty tiny ones. I have a bunch of these two colors, and then I have a bunch of these colors. But I'm hoping to make like a mosaic type thing. And there's also these two sand dollars. I have never found sand dollars whole in my life, and we found 4 of them today. So these two were mine, and then the other 2 that I had found I gave to a friend that hadn't been to the Sea Glass Beach before. And then I found some driftwood. This one, you guys, just looks so cool. I don't know if you can see, but it just curves, and it almost looks like an antler. But it's so light, like it's so very light, it's because it's so porous. And then this one, which was, a little heavier, a little longer, it's pretty much a split branch, split in half. There was a bunch of other driftwood there, but I only had a small bag, so I only grabbed those 2 pieces. But yeah, that is my natural treasures haul of the day from the Sea Glass Beach here in Okinawa, Japan. So I hope you liked it. Thanks, guys.